In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create storybook illustrations using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, click on the Create Design or Image Generation tab to open the AI image editor. Now, think about the scene from your story that you want to illustrate, like a character, setting, or a specific moment in the story. Then enter a detailed prompt describing the illustration. Here's a sample prompt you can use. After that, choose the appropriate style settings and set the aspect ratio depending on your layout. Square or landscape works best for storybook pages. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Artistly create your illustration. You can then refine the result by adjusting your prompt or regenerating until it matches the style of your story. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.